Hi, welcome to my listing on Casentino Court. This home is in the gated 55 plus community in the very popular development of Tuscany. Tuscany has amazing amenities, including a large swimming pool, uh, lazy river, pickleball courts, clubhouse, etc. This home is not only beautiful, but it's very nicely sized at just under 2,800 square feet. So come with me while I show you around. Please note the tiled front porch, the leaded, the leaded glass front door, and the transom lighting, which awashes the foyer in plenty of natural light. You come into just a classic foyer. There's the stairs leading up, and we actually have a formal living and formal dining room, which isn't that common now. This home was built in 2013, so it's relatively new, but you'll notice the large windows, so there's just plenty of natural light throughout. And the formal living room and formal dining room are open to each other, so it entertains very nicely. The family areas are toward the back of the home, so it's a little bit more private. And please note this beautifully updated kitchen. Even though this house was built relatively recently in 2013, the kitchen has actually received a refresh. So notice the quartz countertops, very popular, and the tile and glass backsplash. It's beautiful. And then the gas stove has the range hood above it. And here you have that open floor plan. So here's your family room that opens up with lots of windows to the back living area. And this room is also graced by a beautiful electric fireplace. I will take you to the first floor guest room first. So there's a hall bath here. It's a full bath that serves any guests that are visiting you, say for the day, but also is the bathroom for this first floor guest room. And here's it's a very nicely sized guest room with a large double door closet, plenty of natural light. The floors are an engineered hardwood, which are very warm and inviting. So now I will take you into the primary suite that's also on the first floor. Very conveniently located is the laundry room adjacent to the primary bedroom. And the primary bedroom is very large. You can tell, like, this is a king size bed, and they have several pieces of furniture in here, and it is still quite spacious. Note the tray ceiling. And the bathroom has actually been renovated as well. So you have the zero entry tile shower with upgraded um, shower head and handheld faucets and the upgraded vanity. Again, plenty of closet space. And there is and this home also has a custom walk-in closet. So it has a place for your shoes. It has drawers, hanging rods. And we'll step back out to the family area. I'll take you out onto the back screened porch, which has a tiled floor. So this is a wonderful place to spend time. Really, 3 seasons of the year here in South Carolina. The weather is so temperate. They have a ceiling fan for the warmer days. You can stay cool. And then there's also a custom paver patio. So you have your completely outdoor entertaining space too, and a place to put your grill. So let's go upstairs. And notice the basket stair railings. This is a very popular style right now, and that was an update to this home since it was built as well. And here we have a loft space. So there's a bedroom, a full bath, and a loft space up here, as well as plenty of storage. So this is fabulous whether you have um, guests coming to visit you, or if you even just have a teenager still at home. This is a great kind of separate living space and bedroom space for someone. So here we have the full bathroom, and it does have a tub and a spacious vanity. And this is a very large third bedroom. So come on in. This is a king bed. They have several pieces of furniture in here. There's still plenty of room, and there's lots of natural light. And there is a large walk-in closet right here. Behind this door is actually a very large storage space just under the eaves in the attic. You can never have too much storage space. And again, more storage space. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tour of my listing. I would be happy to answer any more questions that you might have.